So the first thing we want to do is actually bring in the contracts, right? Because we want to run tests on the contracts, and we can do that by scrolling back up to our deployment or deploy contracts, and we see here how we brought in the artifacts. We brought in our contracts using artifacts require, set them to some variables. Let's do the same thing here for our test. So I'm just going to copy that, paste it over. Okay, and then, okay, so now we have that. The next up, we want to bring in chai. So to bring in the library, we just got to do require, and we're going to do .use require chai as promised. And chai as promised is basically just an extension so that we can use chai with promises, and that way we don't have to handle it ourselves. And what do I mean exactly by that? Well, we're going to see, but it's just important for us to bring this in. And that's all you really need to know right now. And finally, we're going to be using should. So we're going to bring in .should. And this is everything that we're going to need to run our tests. And we're going to make a function for our contract, not contract, contract. Oops, what the heck was that? Yeah, contract, okay. And it's going to basically be, what's it going to be here? We're going to want the accounts, and we're going to want to be the decentral bank, right? Because we're running our tests on that. And we're going to have it as a function. And essentially, all of our code is going to go here for testing. And oops, we want to run the arrow function like this. So I want to remove this parenthesis and add it over here at the end. All right. All right, so let's save that. And now we basically have everything we need to start building out our tests, okay? So we brought in our contracts, and we brought in the require library. We've got Mocha good to go, and the skeleton to start writing out some contract tests. So in the next video, let's start testing things out.